we have successfully entered the
Trucks.
Where are we?
Trucks.
The truck show. What do you think? It's something.
Tell me how you feel. What's your fantasy? I see it's on the beach down in Mexico. You can put your feet up, be my senorita. We ain't gotta rush, just take it slow. You'll be in the highlight, soaking up the sunlight. Anything you want, it's yours. I'll have you living life like you should. You say you never had it so good.
What are you doing?
Truck.
You holding this truck? Are you that strong?
Yeah.
Look at this thing. We're underneath the truck. We had to blend in. Colton got a hat. And a backpack. Show him your backpack. You got a backpack. Colton ran off, and this is definitely not the place to lose somebody. Especially somebody who just goes off and does his own thing and doesn't tell me where he's going. There he is. How does he still have energy? What do you think of the truck show? What do you think of the truck show? There you go.
Yeah. You want to exercise?
You're getting some exercise.
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah. Just you.
The Mafia P572 come out.
You enjoying our fancy pants hotel?
Yeah.
What do we just do?
Talk so?
Huh?
Exercise?
Exercise.
Why you playing repeat? It's a hot girl summer every day of the week. Come girl, wine pun.
Day 2 and the hat has been turned around. Ready?
Yeah.
We're ready.
Come on and get it, girl, get it my way. When you rollin' with me, don't wanna fly away. You know shorty a freak, she do what I say. Move right, you feel the
I wrote my YouTube handle on that wall, so hopefully someone here follows me.
She say she came to party. I say you got your reasons. What's the next say with the cocoa? She just wanna fly with no wings. Baby, cut the lime on the sofa. She don't wanna swim when the song sings. Keep it more in touch with the culture. Why you need a job when you got dreams? Momentary playing, it's a goal.
Where are we at?
Talk so?
Truck show day
2.
Found the feature for my next song. Ladies and gentlemen, Tom DeLong. What truck did we see when we walked in? What truck did we see? The red one. Who? Optimus Prime. Highlight of the convention so far. Colton calls this the Machine Gun Kelly truck. I don't think I needed to come here to find out that we don't fit in because we're dressed like half of a Midwest pop punk band, but I've learned very quickly that we don't fit in. It's so windy. Did you have fun? Yeah. Well, that was enough trucks for one lifetime.
What's the next say with the cocoa? She just wanna fly with no wings. Baby, cut the lime on the sofa. She don't wanna swim when the sun sets.